Locate our color selector on the Mighton homepage. Select your desired color range. Browse our color-matched hardware. Simply click the plus to add products. Our unique basket sidebar shows you the products you've selected for that color. Return to the color selector to select a new color range. You can now add products from a new color range, and can again easily view the matching products you've selected. When you're done building color-matched baskets, simply click View Full Basket to see your full basket and all your products. From here you can either edit your basket or head to checkout. Now just check out as you normally do. Simple.